Why do 85% of contractors prefer FTI International? Because we deliver excellence every single time. At FTI International, we've got the ultimate solution for all your building material needs. Partnering with a leading manufacturer in China, we bring you superior quality materials that meet international standards. Our pricing? Unbeatable. We offer competitive prices without ever compromising on quality. And with a wide range of materials, we've got something for every construction requirement. But it's not just about variety and price. It's about reliability. Count on us for a consistent supply and timely delivery wherever you are. From Pakistan to Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and beyond, we've got you covered. Don't settle for less. Enhance your construction capabilities with FTI International. Contact us today and discover how our top-quality, cost-effective building materials can revolutionize your projects. FTI International, your trusted partner in building excellence. Fire.